Simple rosemary mashed potatoes. I've taken 3 or 4 medium red potatoes and microwaved them for about 6 minutes. And in the bowl here, I've got butter that I've already melted in the microwave as well. So take the potatoes, just give them a quick coarse chop with a knife, and then drop them into the bowl. So when I do this, I don't actually prick the potatoes before microwaving them. I just pop them right in the microwave. And I find that, they come out just fine, and it's one less step to do. For myself personally, I'm a really practical cook. I try to do things kind of in a pragmatic, easy fashion, as opposed to getting something that's really complicated and takes a lot of time. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but just, I know after a long day at work, coming home and doing something quick and easy that tastes good is always great. So in my case, I use a bowl that's on top of a scale just so that I can more easily add in ingredients by weight. You can use standard measures. The advantage of this is that it saves a few extra dishes, and it's also a bit faster. So I've added milk and sour cream into the bowl, and now I'm preparing to add the rosemary in. I'm going to strip it onto a cutting board here first so I can dice it up into smaller pieces. Add a bit of salt and pepper. And then, just using the back of a fork, mix it together and mash the potatoes up against the edge of the bowl. And there you go. Now you're ready to serve your rosemary mashed potatoes.